Now let us see how the lithium is different from the rest of the alkali metals. The first is its hardness. We know that due to the exceptionally small atomic size, it's having what very compact packing of its atom in the solid state, and that is why it is very hard, and it is the hardest among all the alkalis. So that is how it becomes very different from the rest of the alkali metals. Then is reactivity. See, it's least reactive in the sense of losing electrons. So it is least reactive in the group, but it is the strongest reducing agent, because when we consider its ion in the aqueous medium, it is having the highest hydration enthalpy, highest hydration and energy. That makes it what a strongest reducing agent. This is how it becomes very different from the rest of the elements. Then it's lithium chloride, it's salt with HCl or with chlorine. Lithium chloride is deliquescent and it is crystalline in nature, and it absorbs moisture, absorbs water, and forms what 2H2O. Whereas no other chlorides, no other alkali metals chloride is deliquescent and it doesn't exist in the hydrated form. Then it's lithium hydrogen carbonate. So its hydrogen carbonate doesn't exist in the solid form, whereas we get hydrogen carbonate of rest of the alkali metals in the solid state. It only exists in the aqueous state. The other one, lithium is the only alkali which forms oxide. So that's the only we are having oxide, and we have done it. We know that rest of all of the alkalis forms either peroxides or superoxides. Then the last point of difference. Lithium fluoride and lithium oxide, what we find is these are very less soluble in water in comparison to what the solubility or other metal fluoride, alkali fluorides and oxides are having. So this is how what we find is that it becomes different from the rest of the alkali metals.